The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Carroll County, North Central Maryland, Central Frederick County, North Central Maryland, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Thurmont, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. Radar indicated impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Thurmont, Walkersville, Discovery, Spring Garden, Clover Hill, Lincoln or Bartonsville, Woodsboro, Libertytown, Bloomfield, Mount Pleasant, New Midway, Ladysburg, Utica, Rocky Ridge, Detour, Keysville, Kemah, Unionville, Grayson, and Lewistown. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.